Imagine a world where trade flows with ease, where products smoothly cross borders, and where businesses thrive in a global marketplace. But do you know the key to this harmonious exchange? It's called the Harmonized System, or HS for short. Have you heard of it? Welcome. My name is Juan Lara, and I'm here to talk about the Harmonized System. The Harmonized System is a global standard of classifying goods used by nearly every country in the world. In this video, I will explain what it is, how it works, and why it's so important for global trade. Plus, I'll give you some tips on how to use the system correctly and get the most out of it. What are the HS codes used for? Well, they're the standard numbers used to classify traded products. Customs authorities globally use them to identify products for duties and taxes and statistics. You have probably heard of the Harmonized System, the Harmonized Tariff Schedule, or the Schedule B number. They are all related but different. The Harmonized System, HS, is an international classification system used globally, while the Harmonized Tariff Schedule, HTS, is a country-specific implementation of the HS, providing tariff rates and statistical categories for imports in the United States. And the Schedule B number is a subset of the HTS and is specifically used for reporting export statistics in the US. So an example would be the Harmonized System code, 6 digits, 650400 is the same code for all participating countries. Now the Harmonized Tariff Schedule is 6504003000. It's for imports in the United States. Now the Schedule B number would be 6504000000, and it's used for exports from the United States. Now, in this video series, we are focusing on the import process, so we're only going to talk about the first two. But how do we determine what is the correct code to use? Let's see this simple case as an example. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, let me tell you about subscribe, like, and share. 3 words that make us feel pretty special. You may not think it's true, but every time you take action and support us, smiles are created around the office. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and give us the thumbs up. Now, let's continue with our example. Meet Jackie. She had an idea to try and make money through an online business. She thought she would give straw hats a go as they were fashionable, and since she was worried about the sun damaging her face skin, it seemed like a great way to protect herself while also making some profit. When Jackie started doing the numbers for her project, she needed to know how much she would pay in customs duties and fees. To be as precise as possible, she had to have the correct HTS code. After following the 6 general rules of interpretation, Jackie came up with the following HTS code: 6504003000. Now let's take a closer look at that code. It belongs to section 12, footwear, headgear, umbrellas, sun umbrellas, walking sticks, seat sticks, whips, and so forth. The first 2 digits correspond to the chapter to which the product belongs to. Straw hats are under chapter 65, headgear and parts thereof. Now the first 4 digits correspond to the heading. In this case, the hats are under heading 6504, hats and other headgear plated or made by assembling strips of any material, whether or not lean or trimmed. The first 6 digits correspond to the subheading. The straw hats are under 650400, of vegetable fibers, of unspun fibrous vegetable materials, of paper yarn, or any combination thereof. As mentioned earlier, the last 4 digits are country specific, in this case, the United States. The last 4 digits assigned are 3000, which corresponds to suit hats. Now Jackie notes that the straw hats have an HTS code of 6504003000 with a tariff rate of 6% unless there is a free trade agreement or a special tariff depending on the country of origin. There are definitely rules and guidelines for classification, so it is crucial you are well versed with them before classifying any product. Here are a few basics. One, know your product. We know you think this goes without saying, but it's very important you fully understand your product and its details to be able to classify it correctly. Two, ensure the internal controls over classifications are written and codified. Three, maintain a database of classification that is regularly updated. Keep in mind that the harmonized system is updated every 5 years. Four, when in doubt, never hesitate to request rulings through the U.S. Customs and Border Protection. The CBP offers classification assistance that can be conveniently requested through an online process. 5. Consult with outside experts such as customs brokers, consultants, and freight forwarding companies. Please check below some links that can be very helpful when classifying your products. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Stay informed and stay ahead of the game. See you soon.